Wagstaff has a black mask and a red cap on his head. His beak is always sharp and clean, his cloak is black and carefully preened. A more beautiful bird has yet to be seen was flying through the forest. When you are so handsome, it's so hard to be modest. You keep yourself a bit to yourself, eat sensible food, look after your health, and don't store too much on the shelf like squirrels in the forest. Wagstaff, Woodpecker, Wagstaff, Woodpecker. Now some may think he's snobbish, but really he is shy. He's got a shoulder you can cry on, he's the kind of a chap you can rely on. He stops for trouble and never flies on if a problem should arise. Wagstaff, Woodpecker, Wagstaff, Woodpecker. So if there's any trouble, to Wagstaff they all turn. He tries to see no one comes to harm. When temperatures rise, he's always calm. There's absolutely no cause for alarm. That's one of his favorite terms. Wagstaff is a hero in his mask and cloak attire. In the forest, the Lone Ranger, never turning his back on danger, helping out both friend and stranger. He's a bird we can admire. He's a bird we can admire.
Well, of course, I've always admired him.
Well, I bet I've admired him longer than you.
He's so handsome.
Cool, I wish I had a beak like that.
He's my hero. He's my hero as well.
And he's mine.